I have visual comparison here of the chunking strategies most used by AI agencies, software development companies, no-code bot builders, no-code AI engine builders, and so on. So most platforms and most people use either one of these chunking strategies or combination of those. So on the x-axis, I have the cost of processing and utilizing each strategy, and on the y-axis, I have the search quality and retrieval precision. So on the low end of the spectrum is fixed size, so-called recursive character splitter. So as you can see, it's low in terms of cost because it utilizes no AI steps. And also it has low search quality because of, as we've already covered in previous videos, it can split the content in the middle of a sentence, and LLM then doesn't have the context of the entire source document or URL, right? So after it is when we split the content by headers via Markdown header chunking. If your document is structured or the URL structured, you can utilize the structure and split it by headers, as we said, right? And it's a little bit more costly, not so much, but it has better precision overall. Then we are getting more into the territory of utilizing vector store embeddings and LLM. So the cost is medium. It's a little bit harder to tune this strategy, but it has much more better search quality and retrieval precision. So after it is the summarization, when you use the AI, which is more costly, of course, because you are taking the input content and to run it via AI to summarize it and basically structure it into structured output format like question answer pairs, for example, right? And the best performing strategy from all is AI decided LLM based or agentic chunking. As we've said, where we utilize AI, it's the most one of the most costly ones, but it has the most precision overall in terms of search quality, retrieval precision, and LLM generation. It's not more costly than the summarization itself, but as you can see, in terms of precision, it's the best performing strategy from what we've already tried in our agency for ourselves and what we've basically analyzed from all sorts of projects, right? So on top of that, you can add enhancements to basically improve the search quality and retrieval precision and LLM generation by, as we've said, adding, for example, document summaries or search keywords, basically the most pertinent keywords for the vector store search retrieval to return you the most viable chunks, right? And also the document summary gives the LLM overall context. And when you combine these both with one of these strategies, you will get the best optimal results for your search quality, retrieval precision, and LLM generation overall.